Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Sorrel leaves. Sorrel is a fascinating perennial herb that is used all around the world and is cultivated for a wide variety of uses. Because of its sharp, tangy taste, it is also associated with various health benefits. The high content of oxalic acid in sorrel makes it poisonous to a small degree, so intake should be regulated. Sorrel is harmless if consumed in lesser quantities. Nutrition facts. Sorrel also provides a significant amount of fiber, very few calories, no fat, and a small amount of protein. In terms of vitamins, it is rich in vitamin C and also contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Now on your screen, you will see values of each nutrient contains in sorrel leaves. Health benefits of sorrel leaves. Aids in digestion. The high content of dietary fiber can be found in most varieties of sorrel, means that your digestive health can be improved by adding these leaves to your soup and salads. It helps to improve gastrointestinal health and also helps in reducing conditions like constipation, diarrhea, bloating, cramping, etc. Sorrel leaves regulates blood pressure. Sorrel has a significant level of potassium, which is an essential mineral for human health. Potassium is a vasodilator, helps in maintaining fluid balance throughout the body. This means that it reduces stress on the cardiovascular system by relaxing the blood vessels and arteries. It will improve your eyesight. Vitamin A, which is essential vitamin found in sorrel, helps in improvements of eyesight and helps in reduction of macular degeneration and cataracts. Circulation and energy. The significant levels of iron in sorrel boost the red blood cells productions and prevent anemia. It will also boost immunity. The vitamin C content in sorrel is impressive, which means that your immune system can be optimized. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, stimulates the immune system and increases the white blood cell count in the body. Sorrel leaves treat skin conditions. The leaves of sorrel have been used in two ways to treat skin conditions. The leaves, when dried as an herb, can be eaten, and this has been connected with a reduction in ringworm and itchy dry skin. When fresh leaves are wet, the liquid that is extracted can be applied topically to the infected areas to reduce rashes and irritation. Sorrel leaves helps in weight loss. Looking forward to shed a few pounds to fit into your sexy little black dress for that dinner date? Why don't you go for sorrel leaves? Sorrel leaves are rich in many vitamins, minerals, proteins, and carbohydrates. They contain a negligible amount of fat and are low in calories. Therefore, sorrel leaves are a good option for health conscious people who want to lose weight. It will also detoxify your body. Sorrel contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that make it a good diuretic and purgative. This helps in flushing out harmful toxins from the body. Sorrel leaves contain protocatechoic acid that aids in body detox. Sorrel tea and sorrel infused water are often used for detoxification of the body. It also relieves bloating. Sorrel leaves prevent cancer and tumor. The oxalic acid present in the fresh sorrel leaves acts as a preventive measure for cancers and tumors. But remember to limit your intake, as excessive consumption can be harmful. Sorrel leaves contain chlorophyll and carotenoids along with many vitamins and minerals that help in fighting, preventing and treating breast cancer. Sorrel leaves lower blood pressure. In today's day and age, we see a lot of people falling victim to hypertension due to stress. Sorrel leaves can help keep your blood pressure under control. Sorrel leaves are rich in antioxidants that help in lowering the bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body, as well as reducing overall inflammation. This results in lower blood pressure levels. Sorrel leaves reduces cold sores and fever blisters. Cold sores and fever blisters usually occur around the lips and the mouth, and the skin around them is sore and painful. Sorrel leaves are rich in flavonoids and oligomeric and polymeric proanthocyanidins that have been proven to be helpful in treating cold sores and fever blisters. Sorrel leaves cure skin diseases. Sorrel leaves are like an elixir for our skin, fighting all types of skin diseases like an eczema, ringworm, etc. Sorrel is rich in vitamin C. In fact, a bowl of sorrel soup can provide up to 53% of the daily intake of vitamin C, which helps in the treatment of many skin issues and diseases. Dried sorrel leaves are used to treat itching and ringworms. Sorrel leaves, when used as a face pack, prevent wrinkles and tighten the skin. They also have antimicrobial and anti-allergic properties. Helpful in reducing milk flow. Sorrel is considered safe for women as it helps prevent breast cancer. But doctors advised against the consumption of sorrel during and post-pregnancy. It can be because sorrel has some side effects and can harm the baby. And also because sorrel reduces the production of breast milk. However, this effect becomes useful at the times of weaning when the aim is to reduce and lessen the flow of milk. Sorrel leaves prevent scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Sorrel, being rich in vitamin C, prevents and cures this painful condition. Sorrel leaves treat insomnia and hypertension. Hypertension can lead to sleepless nights, and you know how important it is to have a sound sleep. If you are sleep deprived and are looking for a remedy to solve your problem, here's help. Drink a glass of sorrel tea or add a few herbs to your salad. Trust me, it works. Sorrel leaves are used to treat insomnia and hypertension. You can make sorrel tea with spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger, or heat sorrel leaves with castor oil and consume it. Sorrel leaves make your hair healthy. Sorrel leaves are an excellent tonic for your mane. They can make your hair healthy, strong, and lustrous. Sorrel is rich in vitamin A, B, and C. All these vitamins are amazing for dry and damaged hair. They can also prevent and stop hair fall and treat baldness. Sorrel leaves heal wounds. The anti-inflammatory properties of sorrel leaves come in handy when you want to treat any wounds. Sorrel leaves treat ulcers, boils, swelling, and scorbutic diseases effectively. They can be used as an antidote for scorpion poison too. Sorrel leaves strengthen bones. You know that these leaves are rich in calcium. So why not strengthen your bones by including them into your diet? They are especially beneficial for women as their bones become weak once they reach their 30s. Sorrel leaves treats anemia. Most women become anemic due to lack of nutrition, heavy bleeding during periods or post-pregnancy. Sorrel is a good source of iron, sodium, and phosphorus, and also contains chlorophyll. It helps in increasing the hemoglobin level in the body and is hence beneficial for people with anemia. Sorrel leaves helpful in treating urinary tract infection, gonorrhea, and hemorrhages. Sorrel leaves can help treat various conditions like urinary tract infection, gonorrhea, and hemorrhage. The diuretic properties of sorrel help in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Side effects of sorrel leaves. Oxalic acid is toxin, so eating sorrel in moderate amount is important. Also, oxalic acid contributes to the growth of kidney stones. So if that is already a health concern, you should avoid eating oxalic rich foods like sorrel. Fun facts of sorrel leaves. Sorrel is a type of herbaceous plant that belongs to the buckwheat family. Sorrel can be found in the fields, meadows, grasslands, woodlands, marshes, etc. It tolerates drought, but it prefers moist soil, areas which have plenty of sun. Common sorrel is a rich source of dietary fibers, vitamin A and C, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. leaves, seed, and root of common sorrel are used in human diet. Common sorrel can be consumed in the form of tea or lemonade-like drink. Ancient Romans used leaves of sorrel to ease thirst when water was not available. How to buy and store sorrel leaves? Choose fresh-looking sorrel leaves with a good color and a clean, fresh scent. Avoid any brown spots or wilted stalks or leaves. Sorrel is the best used soon after purchasing. If stored, store in a plastic bag, unwashed, in the crisper section of the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Best time to get sorrel leaves. Sorrel is the easiest to find in the spring and early summer, but many farmer markets have it right through August.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.